Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 119. If we start with this row, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got 6 and 9 here, so this is our 2. But I don't see any other help. So 6, 9, 6, 9. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 4. 2 and 4 here, so this is our 3. That 2 makes this our 4, 2. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 5. We've got a 2 covering here and a 2 covering here, so our 2 must be here. But I don't see any other help. So 3, 5, 3, 5. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 3, 3 and 8 here. So 2, 3, 8. For this box, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got the 2 here, so 1, 2. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 7. We've got 3 and 7 here, so this is our 4. That 3 makes this our 7, 3. For this column now, we're missing a 4. For this box, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 9, 1. For this box, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 4. That 5 makes this our 3, 5. For this column now, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 9, 8. That 9 makes this our 6, 9. For this row now, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. For this box now, we're missing 1, 8, and 9. We've got a 1 covering here, 1 and 9 here, so this is our 8. That 1 makes this our 9, 1. For this column now, we're missing 2, 3, and 6. We've got 3 and 6 here, so this is our 2. 3 here, so 6, 3. For this box now, we're missing 2, 8, and 9. No, we're not. We're missing 2, 5, and 8. We've got a 2 covering these 2 boxes, so our 2 must be here. But I don't see any other help. So 5, 8, 5, 8. For this box, we're missing 5, 6, and 8. We've got 5 and 6 here, so this is our 8. 6 here, so 5, 6. That 5 makes this our 8, 5. For this top row now, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 1. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 9. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 7. And for this box, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 5 and 3. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.